Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your level, gear, and inventory space. Do this now. Once confirmed, unlock the zone or vendor tied to the Deadlock Protocol and gather the 5 key items the quest requires. Make sure to accept the mission from the NPC and pin the objective on your map. This ensures you're tracking progress correctly. You'll be able to see step triggers as you complete objectives, so don't skip the map marker. It guides the next actions. Once the quest is active, proceed to the mid-phase where triggers and mechanics matter most. Clear nearby enemies before activating consoles, because kills or aggro can reset scripted events. Use the specified tool or ability to interact. This is why gear and loadout choices matter. Then work through the 3 timed waves or puzzle stages. Make sure to manage cooldowns and consumables so you don't get locked out during waves. Coordinating movement and resource. For the final steps, complete the last objective and return to the quest giver to hand in the Deadlock Protocol. Once done, claim rewards and check for any linked continuation quests. If the quest doesn't advance, relog or fast travel to the area to reset scripts. This often clears stuck triggers. If resets fail, file an in-game bug report or check community threads for known issues. Developers frequently patch these, and a temporary workaround is usually posted.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.